So apparently an audio recording of Hillary Clinton was released. I can't remember what the website was. The Washington Free Beacon. Is that thing still alive?
It's kind of surprising.
Apparently, it's a right-wing site that I guess still exists. And they got a hold of this audio, which was apparently, according to some, part of the DNC leak of, emails, and apparently this audio is there. This is going to be very upsetting to some of our friends on the left who are convincing themselves that Hillary Clinton's plan is day one, launch the nuclear weapons. I'm not sure where, but it's a great way of telling yourself that, Donald Trump can't be. How much worse could Donald Trump be? I mean, if Hillary Clinton blows up the world on day one with nukes, I mean, could Donald Trump really do anything worse? And so,
Crooked Hillary's secret nuclear plan.
And so what you do, I guess, in this situation, as I've observed, is you convince yourself that Clinton's going to do it on day one, and if not day one, then literally before she's her inauguration, so that she's that much worse than Trump. This is going to be I imagine you're going to see a lot of YouTubes about this coming from those sectors. Hillary Clinton expressed doubts about whether the United States should go forward with $1 trillion modernization of its nuclear forces at a fundraiser in February, questioning an Obama administration plan that she has remained largely silent on in public. Well, wait a second. Oh, so she won't do this in public, but she does it in private. I'm just trying to guess, what is going to be the hook here, right?
I'm trying to usher in the 12th Imam's appearance. She's messing it up.
A former Defense Department official present at the fundraiser, Andrew C. Weber, raised the question about nuclear modernization and verified the contents of the tape, but also suggested its release as part of the same hacking campaign that exposed the DNC emails. At the fundraiser, Mr. Weber asked Mrs. Clinton about the modernization push and whether she, as president, would cancel the cruise missile, which he called a particularly destabilizing, dangerous type of nuclear weapon. Well, I would imagine, according to everything I've been told about Hillary Clinton, that a particularly destabilizing, dangerous type of nuclear weapon is exactly the kind of weapon she would want. But instead, she said, yes, I would certainly be inclined to cancel that missile. The last thing we need are sophisticated cruise missiles that are nuclear armed. God.
Wrong.
This is going to be a big issue, she added. It's not just the nuclear-tipped cruise missile. There's a lot of other money we're talking about to go into refurbishing and modernization. Do we have to do any of it, she asked? If we have to do some of it, how much do we have to do? That's going to be a tough question, so I will look to people like you and Bill Perry to help me answer that question.
Don't believe a word she says. She lies, and she lies, and she lies. We all know she wants to have a nuke on day one, so I can't enjoy myself in the White House. That's the plan. It's all revenge and grievance. She killed Vince Foster just to watch him die.
And this is classic Clinton, right?
Classic Hillary doublespeak.
Classic Clinton. She specifically doesn't say this in public and only says it in private on a tape that will be leaked so that we believe it more when in fact it's not the true, her true disposition. Brilliant.
She knew that it would be leaked, and she knew you'd be reading this story. You're playing right into her twisted, veiny, mangly, evil, witch-like hands. She's evil. She must be stopped. And here's the thing with Donald Trump. He could be bad, but I don't know how bad. I don't know. It's a wild card. Hillary Clinton, I know it means the end of the world.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to take a quick break. Hey, folks, Sam Seder here. I just got back from a company-wide meeting. Accounting is really coming down on me hard. We need to get to 100,000 subscribers as soon as possible. So please, enjoy this channel. Subscribe. Right up. Right down there.